my name is Amy Bakos and I lead our customer experience team at Theatro. I want to take this opportunity to provide an overview of our pilot process. With the start of the pilot, you'll be assigned a pilot technical lead as well as a customer experience manager. The pilot technical lead will work really closely with your technical resource to make sure that your network infrastructure is really ready to go at go live. In parallel of the Wi-Fi audit, our customer experience manager will conduct a store assessment. And that store assessment really gives us great insight into your daily communication and operational processes. We'll use this information to create a baseline of data that'll help us measure the success of the pilot. It'll also help us to determine the configuration for your store or your facility, and then also any standard operating procedures or processes that may be necessary for implementation to ensure success.
Learning to use Theatro is so simple. It usually only takes an associate about 5 minutes. Our voice user interface has been designed to be intuitive so associates can master it in no time. We know technology training can be a burden on store managers, so we've created automated tools to provide the initial training for new employees as well as ongoing training for existing employees.
For pilots, it's really white glove service. So we do the install. We'll take care of plugging in the server or setting up your VM. And then once it comes to go live, we'll make sure that we have all of the communicators ready to go, the charging racks ready to go, and you guys are just set up to show up and we'll execute training. An important part of the pilot is really to ensure change management processes are in place. We support that with standard operating procedures, and we really work with the store teams to explain the why behind Theatro and what our partnership is really about so that they understand our service is really meant to support them in their daily communication and their operational processes. One big impact that we immediately see after going live in a store, a lot of associates will comment of how easy it is to get help when they need it, just by being able to quickly say, register backup or manager assistance. They're really impressed and they really become fans of ours when they understand and experience how quickly they can get assistance and reach the resources they need to do their jobs better. One of the most important pieces of the pilot process for you and for your team is to really understand the value of the Theatro solution. And the way we do that is through regular cadence calls once the store goes live to collect feedback from you and from the store, make any adjustments that are necessary to the store system or to processes, and really build out those use cases as we work to build a business case to roll out for a national deployment. For example, one retailer we've worked with saw an immediate uptick in their store's conversion just through implementing our solution. So they were a large-scale store, multiple levels, using walkie-talkies and really having a difficult time communicating between teams and floors in their stores. After implementing Theatro's solution, the communication was really streamlined. They were able to connect with each other really quickly, and it improved their conversion 10 basis points, which had a huge financial impact in their store operations. Theatro's pilot process is really easy to implement. We'll provide white glove service with our pilot technical lead and our customer experience manager. We really want to make sure that you and your stores are set up for success and are here to support you throughout the entire process.